I'm Froggy, and this is a My Froggy Stuff mashup. Happy Mother's Day! It's time for all of you moms to get your chill on. And what better way to relax than a day at the spa? So we've put together some of our favorite videos so your dolly moms can chill. From our doll spa to our Bath and Froggy Works, we got you covered. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. I am going to make a hot tub or jacuzzi for a doll using a plastic basket, cardboard, paper, scrap pieces of craft foam, popsicle sticks, scrapbook paper, or contact paper, and some cleaned out containers from my small indulgence. I start by cutting my cardboard to fit around my plastic container. Since my basket has holes on the inside, I am going to tape a piece of white paper right over them to give the appearance of jets inside the tub, or maybe even decorative tiles. Tape or glue the cardboard into place. Cover the cardboard with popsicle sticks, scrapbook paper, or even contact paper. Now I'm going to make a control panel by taking 2 pieces of craft foam. I cut out a rounded rectangle, a picture out of a newspaper that can be used as a display panel. Glue it onto the foam, cut small circles and triangles out of white craft foam, glue them onto the black foam, then attach it to the plastic rim of your hot tub. Place the small containers inside so your dolls have somewhere to sit, and you're done.
Happy crafting!
Since our container was not waterproof, we decided to use plastic wrap for the bubbles. But if you would like to make a pool, add water, or make it for a larger doll like an American Girl, just use a different style container. It is fall break here and our dolls can use a little pampering. So let's make a spa. Using foam board, scrapbook paper, square wooden dowels, and skinny sticks, I found these at Walmart. Felt, cotton fabric, socks, recycle a picture from a calendar, recycled cardboard, and glue. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. I start by drawing a rectangle that is 4 inches by 12 inches. Cut it out, place the doll on the cardboard, and draw a small oval where the head is. Carefully cut it out, cover it with felt, wrapping the felt around the edges, turn it over, make small cuts in the felt at the oval, then fold them over and glue in place. Add a layer of cotton fabric, gluing it around the edges, and cut out the hole just as before, gluing it in the back. Glue on a piece of felt to cover the raw edges, so when the doll looks through, it's nice and neat. Glue square wooden dowels underneath, cutting them down where needed. Cut 4 5-inch wooden dowels, glue them into the corners underneath, so it has 4 legs. Take 2 thin wooden dowels, glue them to the inside of the legs, cut skinny sticks, glue them underneath, leaving a little space between each one to make a shelf under the table. Take a white gem sock, turn it inside out, cut it into rectangles, fold and stack a few, place them on the shelf to look like towels. Cut a rectangle out of a t-shirt, fold it, place it over the bottom of the table with a towel to make a massage table. Now we need a background. Using foam board, I cut 2 15 by 12.5 rectangles and 1 12.5 by 12.5. I cover the 2 rectangles with a wood scrapbook paper, and for the square, I am going to recycle an image from a calendar. Add strips of scrapbook paper to frame the picture to look like a window. Glue the walls to the floor to make a corner room. Then we can place our table inside for the perfect backdrop. I cut a few rectangles of cardboard, glue them together to make a box. Cover with scrapbook paper, glue it into the room to make a small counter. I made a smaller one and glued it to the wall for a shelf. Place a few rocks on the shelf, Bath and Froggy Works products and towels on the counter. Glue an artificial plant into a bead for a touch of green to complete our doll spa. Then we can wrap a cut sock around the doll and stitch it on the side to look like a towel. And now our dolls can enjoy a day at the spa. And if we remove everything from the room and use the counter as a bench and pretend the dolls are in a sauna, because all dolls deserve to be pampered. Thank you for joining us while we made our doll spa. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done. Happy crafting! I am going to make a comfy, cozy robe for a doll using some fleece baby blankets from the dollar store. I lay my fleece down with the finished edge on top. I find my center point and then fold the sides down to make a triangle. I lay my doll on top and do a generous marking around the lines of her body. I am going to stitch only on the inside of the arm and down the side. This thin fleece will be easy to hand stitch. However, if you're going to use a machine, I would suggest using pins. When making this for a larger doll like an 18-inch, I make sure that the sides overlap. I cut it out. Cut very closely under the arm. Turn it right side out. I am choosing to roll my sleeves back and the collar. I cut a strip of fleece about 1 inch thick. Stretch it to make a cord. Carefully stitch it to the back of the robe. Tie it in the front, and you're done.
Happy crafting!
Our dolls can always use a little pampering. So we are going to make them some Bath and Froggy Works products. Using printables from our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com, recycled paper, nail polish, acrylic paint, glitter, cotton swabs, and glue. I start by printing out our printable from our blog. These are the labels for the front of the bottles, and we have some template sizes on the side. I am going to make the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash a large bottle, the lotion a medium bottle, and the body spray a small bottle. I cut out the templates and use them on my recycled paper To draw a line, fold on the line drawn and make a crease. Open it up, carefully and neatly cut on the crease to get a strip of paper. Or you can trace the template and use a paper cutter if one is available. Cut several, then repeat for the other 2 sizes. Take a cotton swab and cut off the ends, then use it to tightly roll the paper. Use a glue stick to add more strips of paper and continue rolling. I used 2.5 strips and then secured the end with glue. Trim the cotton swab, repeat for the other 2 large bottles, then make the lotion, and for the body spray, I used only 1 strip of paper. Now it's time to paint them. I'm using nail polish. I start with a base coat. Pearly nail polishes add a really cool effect. And I just tap it on to get some nice little swirls there. Add a clear coat and allow it to dry. Cut out the labels and use a glue stick to attach them. We put a label on the front and on the back. Cut thin strips of leftover paper, wrap it around the top of the cotton swab, paint it, add a line of glue around the bottom and some glitter to make doll-sized body products that we have playfully named Bath and Froggy Works. And it's the perfect gift for a Dolly Mother's Day. Thank you for joining us for this quick craft. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done. Happy crafting!
And if there's nothing there, I don't really care. Even if I wouldn't, I trust you. You say when, and I'll be holding my pen, kiss, and then.
Thank you for joining us for this My Froggy Stuff mashup. Let us know what mashups you would like to see in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.